certain fundamentals you might want to know in terms of how a schedule is being prepared. Number one, when we talk about a schedule in created in Microsoft Project, it can be done in two ways. One is called as forward scheduling, another is called as backward scheduling. What I mean by forward scheduling is you know the start date of your project, but you don't know the finish date of your project. In those cases, your schedule start and your schedule finish of your activities will be same as your early start and your early finish. It's quite simple, right? Because you are moving forward, naturally you can schedule your activities only as per your early start and early finish of those activities. Or in other words, all the activities in forward planning will be scheduled as soon as possible. Whereas when I go for a backward scheduling, I know the finish date of the project, which means all my activities will be scheduled as per the late start and late finish of your activities, which means as late as possible. Okay. So people might ask, when should I go for what type? When is forward better? When is backward better? Remember, when you go for a forward scheduling, you need to know that your team will be busy every day when you go for a forward scheduling, because all your activities are starting as soon as possible. You may not have any buffer time because the moment an activity completes, the next activity should start immediately. You are not taking advantage of any slack left. But when you want to delay certain activities to a later point in time without disturbing the finish date of the project, then you might want to go for backward scheduling. Okay. So at any point in time when you have a question, you might want to post those questions on your questions tab so that I can take it at certain point in time. Okay. Yeah. So this is a hint which I have already told you. When you go for backward scheduling, your finish date does not move in your project.